In the world of ultra-luxury automobiles, two names stand atop the pinnacle of opulence: Rolls-Royce and Maybach. Picture this: a sleek, gleaming Rolls-Royce Phantom glides silently down a tree-lined boulevard, its iconic spirit of ecstasy hood ornament leading the way like a beacon of prestige. Across town, a Maybach S-Class rolls with equal grandeur, its imposing grille and handcrafted details exuding a quiet, commanding authority. These two titans of automotive excellence have long battled for the crown of supreme luxury, each offering a story of craftsmanship, innovation, and unparalleled comfort. The Rolls-Royce tale begins over a century ago in 1904 when Charles Rolls and Henry Royce set out to create the best car in the world. Their vision materialized in models like the Phantom and the Ghost, vehicles that became synonymous with royalty, celebrities, and the elite. Driving a Rolls-Royce isn't just transportation, it's an experience. The cabin cocoons you in hand-stitched leather and polished with veneers, while the whisper-quiet V12 engine ensures the outside world fades away. The ride is so smooth it's often compared to floating on a cloud, a testament to the brand's relentless pursuit of perfection. Rolls-Royce thrives on its heritage, its bespoke customization options allowing owners to craft a car as unique as their fingerprint, down to the starlit headliner mimicking the night sky. Meanwhile, Maybach's narrative weaves a different thread, one of resurrection and modern ambition. Originally founded in 1909 by Wilhelm Maybach, the brand built cars for the pre-war elite before fading into obscurity. Revived by Mercedes-Benz in the early 2000s, Maybach re-emerged as a sub-brand to challenge the luxury establishment. The Maybach S-Class, its flagship, blends cutting-edge technology with old-world decadence. Imagine sinking into rear seats that recline like a first-class airline suite, complete with massage functions and champagne flutes at arm's reach. Its twin-turbo V12 engine delivers power with refinement, and the cabin's noise-canceling tech makes it a rolling sanctuary. Maybach leans into modernity, integrating Mercedes' latest innovations like semi-autonomous driving, while still offering the hand-finished details that rival Rolls-Royce's artisanship. The rivalry unfolds like a duel between tradition and evolution. Rolls-Royce wears its legacy like a tailored suit, appealing to those who crave timeless elegance and a connection to history. Its cars are statements of permanence, often passed down through generations. Maybach, though rooted in a storied past, feels like the brash newcomer, armed with German engineering precision and a flair for contemporary extravagance. It's the choice for those who want luxury with a tech-savvy edge, think Silicon Valley moguls versus old-money aristocrats. In the end, the Rolls-Royce versus Maybach saga isn't about which is better in absolute terms, it's about the story you want to tell. Do you glide through life in a Rolls-Royce, wrapped in the mystique of a bygone era? Or do you command the road in a Maybach, blending classic opulence with the pulse of the present? Both are masterpieces, but their narratives diverge, leaving the choice to the driver and the dream they wish to live.